It's Sunny Beach Life and it's May, so we're going to show you the front. The water sports have started, the beach is filling up with the furniture. Susan has a beer on the front and gets fuddled. We're then going to have some fantastic food, have a really nice pizza. We'll then show you what it's like along the promenade in the evening, all the things that are going on. And then we obviously finish off with a beer. And Dobberden.
Dobberden, everybody, and wow, isn't this amazing behind me today? Oh.
Yes, Bank Holiday Monday, it's 27 on the board. The water sports are started. We saw a parasailer as we actually drove into the resort, so it's summer has arrived today.
Oh yeah, and it's so warm, it's lovely. I'm almost thinking I can start my swimming now.
Yeah, it's great. Blue skies, people on the beach. And the restaurants and bars look quite busy, and a few have opened today, so we're going to try somewhere that's only, well, it's his first day today. Yep. So there we go. Have a walk with us. We're going to walk up towards the wheel.
Behind me, you've got Palm Beach. There's quite a few people laid on the beanbags, sunning themselves. The music's going, and there's a few cocktails being consumed. That's what Sunny Beach on your holidays is all about. It's amazing.
Yeah, we parked the car at the apartment. Maybe we can have a cocktail later as well.
Oh, it's a good idea.
Maybe on the beach as well for treat ourselves. And well, we're going into the last week in May. The thing is that along the front, even on here, there are still restaurants that haven't opened. Each year it's like this, and we look at them and go, is that opening? Come down in 4 or 5 days, that'll be trading and be full of people. But at the back of the resort, a lot of areas don't really start till this next week, because main season is 1st of June. So they'll be sitting empty till probably Tuesday or Wednesday, next couple of days, and then they'll start cleaning them up, getting open for next weekend. Because we'll get the flights coming in for the 1st of June, lots of people here.
Yeah.
And we keep saying today, it feels like summer, and it really does. Just imagine yourself, if you're here next month, laying out on one of these lounges, under a brolly, looking at an amazing blue sea. Wow. It does look amazing. This beach is fantastic. It's really fine sand. It's cleaned every day. It's beautiful. I just think you'd be sitting there with a cold drink in your hand. Wow, what could be better for your summer holidays than that? And follow us on Facebook. It's really up to date. You get to see when we're having our meetings, when we're having party nights. Maybe you'll come along.
It's amazing today because we have seen a few red people.
Lobsters.
Yeah. So do be mindful that even if it's a windy day, that sun is quite strong. It's only 27 today, but as I said, people are getting burnt. So do bring some sun cream with you, because generally the sun cream on some of these stalls can be fake. So if you bring the sun cream you know and trust, but do wear it, do put some on, because like I said, that sun is very strong here in Sunny Beach. I don't know if any of you are missing our shopping video. We usually do it on the 20th of May, which is Nicky's birthday, the football shirt guy. But he was away watching his beloved football team last week in Sofia. I hope they won, Nicky. I don't know what the score is. But in the next week, we will be doing that shopping video to show you what the prices are like on some of the stalls, etc. And they really haven't moved that much since going from Lev to Euro. Okay, so look out for that video, everybody.
The Nicky's football shirts are the same price as last year, exactly, just swapped over.
This Saturday just gone, it was our wedding anniversary again, but we stayed at home because the heavens opened up.
It was torrential. We didn't go out the door. Even the cats came running in to take shelter. It was really, really bad. And Susan didn't have to top up the swimming pool the next day and put an inch of water in.
Oh no.
Because the rain had actually overfilled it a little bit.
But anyway, so in the next week or two, when it warms up a bit, we're going to come back to the Colonel Steakhouse, sit on that roof terrace and have a meal to celebrate, a belated celebration for our wedding anniversary.
Yeah, and it is beautiful sitting up the top there, because you've got an amazing view of the beach. At night, it's fantastic.
Oh, yeah.
You're looking at Neseba at one end and right across to Vlas.
Yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful.
And the food's great as well. Oh. And behind me you can see the horror castle. You can see some of the people there. They've been partying too much already in Sunny Beach. But anyway, it's only €8. It hasn't really changed that much since last year, so the price is pretty good. And apparently it's quite good fun in there. Maybe one day I might give it a go.
And it is Nibutona. If you're enjoying the video, please give us a like, it really helps us. It was quite funny on my feed this last week. One of the YouTubers comes every year for holidays, there's a load of films when he's here for a week. Did one guide to the top bars in Sunny Beach. Well, behind me is the Glarus Karaoke Bar, one of the most popular bars with the British in Sunny Beach. As you can see, it isn't open, and they're just saying they hope to open on Wednesday this week. And quite a few of the bars aren't open because the party bars, the young people's bars, are still in their opening period because the universities, colleges haven't all broken up yet. So there might be the odd nightclub or late bar open, but the majority will be next week. There you go. Got another week to go yet before we get the real fun party atmosphere in Sunny Beach. It's amazing, that sun is beating down, it's really hot. I'm not used to this sort of weather.
No, we're a bit hot and bothered now walking all the way up here from the jetty.
Of course, this is what you want for your holiday. The normal Bulgarian summer, blue skies, blue sea and a scorching sun. So we're going to go into the Fat Cat, just have a beer and chill out and sit down for a few minutes.
Before we carry on this film.
And here is the Fat Cat, and it's the Fat Cat at the Fat Cat. He's enjoying himself, doing what everybody should do on a holiday for at least a few hours. Just sit there, chill out, enjoy your holiday.
Well, this is marvellous. Just nice and refreshing, a big beer, kamenitsa, here in Fat Cats. What more can you want on a 5 o'clock on a Monday afternoon?
Well, Susan's only had one drink, she can't even get that right.
I've only had a sip, but I can't even get my words out. Not much of a drinker these days, but Nostravi, everybody.
And here we have it, the Avrika Beach is open at last. Fantastic hotel, go back to last June and you'll see our film. We got a guided tour all around this hotel and the beach bar. It's just an amazing hotel. If you haven't booked yet, have a look at this one online. Absolutely beautiful, loads of room and lots of lounging area. No problem finding somewhere by the pool or in the garden to just sit out and enjoy the day. And if you do go for the top end, because they have two standards in this hotel, if you go for the premium end of it, the restaurant on the front there is absolutely gorgeous. I still remember the meal I had, because I had some veal. It's absolutely gorgeous. So there you go, Avrika Beach, now open, and you can book a room here.
Believe it or not, we've managed to get past the Drunken Sailor and the Palace Hotel. We could have stopped in the Drunken Sailor because we had quite a few subscribers in there, especially Joanne Purnell. Hello, Joanne. So they're having a good time. Maybe we'll see them on the way back. They'll probably still be in there. Anyway, we're making our way this way up towards Fiesta Beach Bar. Join us up there, everybody.
If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, half the people haven't, but please do. There's no obligation on your part really, and it doesn't cost anything at all. It just helps you not miss any of our videos because you're more likely to see one of our posts coming up to tell you that we've actually made a new film.
It's that time of the year when we're at the Majestic Hotel at their gates and you can absolutely admire these flowers, these roses. Oh, they are absolutely gorgeous. So you know summer's arrived when you see these beautiful roses at the Majestic gates. Amazing. The roses here in Bulgaria are absolutely amazing.
And behind me is the Majestic Hotel, one of the most attractive hotels in Sunny Beach, with a fantastic gardens. I mean, it's fantastic. They've got a little putting green there, play golf. It's just absolutely stunning. It's very green, very well kept. So if you're looking for something a little bit more market, higher stars, certainly look at the Majestic. A lot of satisfied guests in there last year.
Oh.
And now we made it to the Fiesta Beach Bar, right at the northern end, just past the Majestic Hotel. Fantastic beach bar.
Oh yeah, and it's lovely. A nice evening to sit at a beach bar. So we're going in here to see Crassy and Vesey.
And if you do make it all the way up here, you can get a Sunny Beach Life cocktail as well. Our drink, it's green to match my hat.
Yeah, so I think we'll go sample one, just for filming purposes, you understand.
Yeah, we need to sit down and chill out for a few minutes. But great beach bar, and it's only just becoming beach bar season. I mean, a week ago, if you were in the shade, it was quite cool. But tonight, you can be in the shade still. It's very, very pleasant. And the wind has dropped. We have had strong winds, and they've sort of driven the temperature down if you're exposed. But tonight, it's absolutely sticky. It's fantastic warm.
Yeah.
It's brilliant.
Brilliant. So let's go get a drink. Let's not rabbit on any longer. Let's go get a drink. Come on.
There is a secret ingredient in these cocktails. You can't get them anywhere else. They won't even tell us what's in them. There you go. They are tasty, but they are very strong, so take care.
Well, it's great to be back at the Fiesta Beach Bar after the winter. Oh, and we decided we're going to have something to eat because we seem to have walked for miles from Flower Street. Andrew's fancying a pizza, and the pizzas do look good. And we had jacket potato in here last year, and it was delicious, so I think I'm going to have jacket potato. But it's a nice, simple menu, but very tasty, if it's anything from last year to go by. Ah.
It's the perfect time to fly a drone. There's not a breath of wind. Just look at that water. The sea is flat calm. And it's the golden hour. The light is going down. Evening is coming. Now this is where the bar sits, the Fiesta. As you look up there, you can see Secrets and Dreams hotels in the distance there. And we're actually in front of the Zenith Hotel. This is one of the biggest refurbishments in Sunny Beach. It was closed for 2 years. They've rebuilt it. It's absolutely beautiful now. And if you go back to the guide film I did in January, the beachfront hotels, you'll see it's got a very, very good rating as well. The Zenith Hotel had a major refit. It was closed for 2 years, opened in 2024. But like a lot of hotels on this stretch, on the northern end of Sunny Beach, you've got rooms with fantastic views of the sea. Absolutely amazing looking out your balcony here. And here are the majestic gardens. Look there, absolutely beautiful, well kept. And next to it, the Imperial Hotel. As you notice, these have got all the brollies out, the lounges. They're open and running. But next to the Imperial, you'll see the Condor coming up. They haven't even started on the pool. Nothing's happening there. Won't be June till that one opens. Oh, I can smell my pizza. Oh, my food's ready. I better land the drone. And look at this. I'll tell you what, that ham and that cheese were absolutely delicious on that. Freshly cooked by Crassy, really wonderful. Seasoned potato, the only concern, she had all that cheese was amazing, but she said the potato was too big for her. She couldn't eat it all. Wow.
This is amazing outside the Fiesta Beach Bar. If you just fancy a little ice cream, you can have 1 scoop for €2. That is such a bargain. You can have 2 scoops for €4, or 3 scoops if you're feeling really peckish.
You want to pick out?
Yeah. Oh, that's brilliant, because you've got to be careful on some of these other stalls because they sell it by weight and then they try and cram as much in as they can. Whereas here, 2, 4 or €6, it's simple. Oh, that's brilliant. Come to the Fiesta Beach Bar, not just for a Sunny Beach Life cocktail, but for an ice cream as well.
I don't know if you noticed, we came in here in the late afternoon, it was daylight. It's now gone dark because you just can't help staying here for so long.
Yeah.
So now we're filming in the dark.
Yeah, it's a lovely place to be. Oh.
Yeah, maybe see you here next month.
We've had a good couple of hours here at the Fiesta Beach Bar, and as Andrew just said, it's beginning to get dark now. Anyway, did you come to one of our party nights last year? They were brilliant. Andrew will put a link down below. Let us know if you're coming this year, because we're planning on having a party night at the Fiesta Beach Bar again, maybe in 2 weeks' time. Let us know when you're going to be here if you're going to come to one of our party nights, they are brilliant here at the Fiesta Beach Bar. Sorry. Yeah, you're good. You're good to go.
And we just spoke to a family outside here, a couple of children who's staying at the Majestic. Obviously, they just came yesterday, a short break, and I said, you know, it's funny because people say, oh, it's too early in the season, and they just gave all the positives. First one is, they don't have to queue up for a sunbed. No problem getting a sunbed. They also said, there's no problem going for dinner because you're first in the queue. You haven't got to wait for people. So sometimes an early break can have big advantages over coming in the height of the season. You've got a positive attitude. Sometimes this summer, you're never going to get away from Craig Williams. He's going to be all over the resort doing his Benidorm act. He's in funkies now, it's really loud in there, and obviously we want to make tracks, we've been out for hours. But we will be filming Craig again in the near future at one of the other venues that he's going to be at this summer. This is the way to
oh my God, it's the sex addict. Where are you from, girls? Hang on, you call me subtitles, I understand a word of that. Newcastle! 6 o'clock
The great thing with Sunny Beach is, as you're walking along the front here, all the different bars have different sorts of entertainment on. We don't think Craig Williams is just up the road there. Now we've got a bit of karaoke going on in the Fat Cat. And every night's like this until 11 o'clock or later. So whatever floats your boat, you can find it here, whether it's a tribute act, Freddie Mercury, or just really playing, having a bit of a sing. It's all entertaining for your holiday.
Oh. Well, we haven't got very far. And now we've met Fran and Jimmy again. So it's Nostravi.
Nostravi.
Come to Sunny Beach.
Welcome to Bulgaria.
Yay.
At yet another beach bar.
It's an hard life.
It's a great life. Sunny Beach life.
Well, it's 11:30 now. We just keep stopping talking to people. We're trying to get back to the apartment. It's not working, but 11:30, it's still 20 degrees.
Oh, that's amazing, isn't it? We're still, you know, in our summer clothes. It's great.
I'm in a t-shirt, very comfortable here on Flower Street. It'll be gone midnight. You can walk around t-shirt at the moment. It's absolutely fantastic. The summer has arrived.
Yeah.
Well, the evenings have anyway.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
So anyway, it's ciao for now.
Yeah, we've been out for 7 hours now, so ciao everybody.
See you again later.
Bye.
Oh, wow, we've left Flower Street, done our ciao. I thought that was it for the night.
Oh yeah. Oh.
But it is so warm, there's a breath of wind, it's gorgeous. And I say it's 20 degrees, got a t-shirt on at midnight. It's really, really nice.
Seems a shame to go home so early.
It's a shame to pass Condor and a cold beer, so we're coming for 2 big beers.
Yeah.
Sit here and rest for another half an hour before we go home.
So hopefully we'll see you here soon.
Yeah, maybe you'll be sitting in Condor with us in a few weeks. So anyway, this really is bye for now. See you again later.
Ciao again, everybody. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video right to the end. I'm going to put the link here for the party night at the Fiesta Beach Bar. Maybe you'll get to go to one of those. If you don't, every week at Crossroads we have a meet-up and a quiz, a bit of a social night. Maybe you can do that as well on your holiday. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell, don't miss any of our videos in 2026 summer season.